Welcome to our channel. Today, we're showing you step-by-step how to apply for DoorDash Dasher driver jobs so you can start earning with flexible delivery work. Step 1. Go to the DoorDash Dasher sign-up page. Visit the official Dasher application page where you'll begin your registration. Step 2. Enter your basic information. Type in your name, email, phone number, and delivery location. DoorDash will use this to check whether your area is open for new Dashers. Step 3. Complete the background check. Provide your date of birth, social security number, and consent for a background check. This is required for all applicants. Step 4. Choose your delivery method. Select whether you'll deliver by car, scooter, or bicycle. Each option may have different requirements depending on your city. Step 5. Upload any required documents. If delivering by car, you may need to upload your driver's license and proof of insurance. Make sure everything is clear and up to date. Step 6. Download the Dasher app. Install the DoorDash Dasher app on your phone. Once your background check is approved, you'll receive a notification to finish setup inside the app. Step 7. Activate your account and start dashing right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.